Hi everyone, this is Marjorie. This is a before picture. No, this is an after picture. That's a before in Catalina. That's a before in Catalina. Can't stay on that one very long. This is 4 before pictures from quite a long time ago. It's a wedding, my daughter's wedding on a yacht. I looked like a cow over on the left. Maybe you're right, I'm not sure. The long dress where I'm with my husband. Then those white shorts. That gray hair when I'm with my little tiny granddaughter, upper right. And with my whole gorgeous family. Looking so plump. And I'm smiling, but like Keto Casey said, you have to enjoy your life and your family, but deep down inside you're not enjoying your own personal, being in your own skin. So anyway, just thought I would share some before and afters people keep wanting to see. So we're going to say before. Gosh, I keep getting that wrong. Before. And now, there's the date. Well, actually, it was September 29th, so it was a few days ago. So proud of myself. That's 50 pounds lighter, possibly even more. I was much younger in those other videos, other pictures rather. So, the work continues, and keto on. Thanks for watching. Bye now.